Hi traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the gold chart or XAUUSD chart, and it is daily time frame, and the price is holding itself up of this trend line here. If I can zoom like this, we connect this trend line to this one. Okay, it gives us here, okay, as we had a position here, a buy position here in lower time frames on 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. We should right now extend this trend line like this. Okay, as you can see, the price had a reaction right now to this trend line here. Okay, and if the price can actually close itself, this candle can close itself below this trend line in the daily time frame. Okay, if it can break this trend line to the downside and can close a body below this trend line, in that case we can say that the gold price, gonna fall too much. Okay, in that case we can enter sell position, set our stop loss, and enter a sell position. Okay, let's check 4-hour time frame too. Should extend the trend line like this, and as you can see, the price rejected from this level. Yeah, as I told you, if the price can break this to the downside, we can enter sell position. Let's see the 1-hour time frame too. We can see this green candle. Some people risk here, and with the close of this candle can enter buy position too. Entering a buy position somewhere here, putting our stop loss below this candle, and getting our reward. Okay, nothing else. Let's check lower time frames to see if we have a position to enter or not. We just have this actually level, the level of this trend line. Actually, the candle closed here. Right now we can risk and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and look for our reward. Let's see the 5-minute time frame too. 1-minute time frame. 1 minute. It's just gone one month. We can have a trend line like this here too. Look, like this one. And with the break of that to the downside, we can enter buy position too. And some people actually entered a buy position with the break of this trend line to the upside. We had this trend line in the bigger time frame, daily time frame, and this trend line in the lower time frame, like 1 minute. With the break of this, two signals to buy, some people enter here, put their stop loss below the candles, and get their reward. And the price was going up, and the reason why price started falling is because of the news we had on, actually in my time, 5:15 p.m. In my time actually. Then the actually gold price started falling. Nothing else to say. Thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, the education part, which I'm gonna show you yesterday's positions too, and you can learn things there. Let's move to the next part. Guys, if you didn't like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of gold or XAUUSD in the upcoming days. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. On the first position, as you can see, we had a trend line with 3 touches on it, and it was broken here. We could risk here and enter buy position with the closing the body of the candle. Okay, we can put our stop loss below the candle here or somewhere safer, and look for risk to reward too, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here on those shadows there. Okay, and it is 5-minute time frame, and it means we have some minute to actually decide to exit our position here or not. It is not 1-minute time frame to act quickly. Okay, On the second position we did have this trend line again with 3 touches. It was broken to the upside. There you can see, just a bit the candle, bodies can close out of the trend line. Okay, it is a breakout, then we can enter buy and sell positions. In this one I entered the buy and I did put my stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave me a reward of something around 5. And it continued going up too much, but it's really actually hard to keep your buy position when you see these shadows from upside and pin bars. It's really hard. I did close my position somewhere here. Okay, on the last position we did have this trend line, which it was like this, it is like this. Okay, with several touches on it. One, it was like this at the first look. When we see that small shadow, we extend it and it was broken here. Okay, we could enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 4.7 somewhere here. We can enter sell positions and buy positions in lower time frames, like 1 minute time frame. Like we had this trend line here. Okay, with the break of that here, we could enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle and get our reward too. Or this resistance here, the price started going up, the price pumped to the upside, but it rejected from an invisible level. Okay, so this is a resistance for the price in lower time frames, like 5 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, the price reacts to this level. Okay, and makes a rejection candle like this one. We can risk here an enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles and look for our risk to reward too, which the price of course gives us our reward. And you should not forget to set a stop loss. Okay, trading without stop loss is exactly gambling. Okay, there is no difference between gambling and trading when you don't set your stop loss. Okay, and also we had some breakouts here too. With the break of this trend line, we could enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle and get our reward. And also this trend line with 3 touches on it, broken somewhere here, but the candle's color was not the color we wanted. Okay, a breakout to the downside candle must be closed in red. Okay, not in green. So we don't enter here. Instead we extend the trend line like this. Okay, and it was broken here. We could risk here an enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles and get our reward. Guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of gold or XAUUSD in the upcoming days, and ask any questions you like in the comments. Thank you and bye bye.